Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be making a hibiscus hair butter. Hibiscus has really been essential in our hair growth journey, so we decided to make a hair butter out of it. And we have to say, this might just be our latest favorite product, so stay tuned to see how it turned out. The first ingredient we'll be using in our hair butter today is hibiscus. We blended a handful of these beautiful hibiscus petals. This makes for better infusion into our hair butter. The second ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are dried mint leaves. This is one of our favorite staples. Guys, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, and if you don't have this available, you can actually use some peppermint oil drops. And now it's time to add in our carrier oils. We firstly poured in 50 ml of coconut oil. And then we poured in 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Lastly, we'll be using 4 tablespoons of raw unscented shea butter. This helps to create the formulation of the hair butter. Hibiscus is a very powerful plant that is revered in India. It is known for increasing and boosting hair growth. A 2003 study showed that a leaf extract of hibiscus positively affected the hair length and follicles of lab rats. The hibiscus petals contain a number of benefits, such as it stimulates hair growth, it conditions the hair strands, it prevents baldness, it treats dandruff and an itchy scalp, and it also prevents premature grey. Mix your ingredients in thoroughly and allow to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. You will know it's almost ready once your shea butter has fully melted. After about 20 minutes, you can switch off the stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Once your mixture has cooled down, it's time to strain it. To strain, we'll be using a wig cap. Strain and transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your hair butter. Place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. By the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. Your hair butter can also be whisked into a butter souffle if you choose to have a more fluffy texture. Now, this hibiscus butter is packed with benefits. It's not only super easy to make, but is also super effective in growing and thickening your hair, as well as healing all your scalp issues. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth, bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis. It treats hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. How to use? This hair butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can be applied directly onto your scalp and massaged in. It can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and to seal your ends. This hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. Now we have come to the end of this video. Guys, kindly let us know down in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this amazing hibiscus hair butter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!